A lot of us get nervous when we go to the dentist. We're in a safe place here to talk about it, especially if you're getting drilled. Kids in particular sometimes have to be sedated to calm their nerves. But as Louis Bolden tells us, now there's a new pain-free procedure that can get the work done and keep your kids calm.
You ready to get this taken care of?
No.
No? How come?
I just don't want to do it.
Okay, all right. Well, we'll see if we can make it nice and easy for you.
DJ is like a lot of kids. The dentist can be a little scary.
Kids are not used to the noises and the sounds and somebody working in their mouth with a white jacket and gloves on and mask. So there's a big fear factor there. That's the biggest thing.
So even when it comes to something simple like a cavity, the dentist may recommend your child get sedated.
Sedation is a continuum that goes from minimal to all the way to deep. And you never can predict how a child in particular is going to react to such medication.
Dentist turned malpractice attorney Greg Myers has seen cases where the sedation can harm and even kill a patient.
They're getting strapped down, they're getting sedated, and it's leading to trouble.
To sedate somebody, there's a lot of risk involved in it.
It's why Dr. Ron Hickerson is taking advantage of a new product to treat cavities in children like DJ. It's called silver diamine fluoride, and just one drop stops tooth decay.
I don't have to give you an injection, I don't have to numb you up or anything.
The patient just has to keep their mouth open for a minute.
That's it. It's not a cure for cavities for everybody. It is a very useful product. It's a tool that a dentist has in their tool bag.
It's an extremely inexpensive procedure, around $20, but it is not permanent. You have to have it applied every 6 months. And beware, it can cause a dark stain when it fights that tooth decay, so it wouldn't be something you would want to have done anywhere that's visible. But for kids, those baby teeth are going to fall out eventually anyway, so it might be a good option. Just ask your dentist if they offer it. I'm Louis Bolden, News 6.
So this product has been in other countries for decades, but was only approved by the FDA in 2014. We called around to local dentists. It's not being widely used in our area at the moment, but part of that is because it's so new to the U.S. We were told if more patients start to ask for it, it could be something dentists might actually consider offering. For more info on the product, we've put information online. Just head to facebook.com/news6 to find out the link. It's right at the top of the homepage there, and just watching that cavity get stuff put in it gives me the heebie-jeebies. Yeah.
I'm not a big, I'm not big with the whole dentist thing either. They make fun of me at my dentist office when I go in because they know
they
how
bully
big...
you at your dentist?
No, they just kind of giggle because I'm such a. The wimp is the word I think I'm looking for. I grip things.
I get the
across
greasy
my feet.
palms, and yeah, everything locks up on me. No good, but hey.